Last night when I and my friend
4 were having an intense 3 a.m. conversation, somehow our talk reached to crush and lover. This was the time when I told her that I am in love with Sma, though I was expecting her response to be something like, "Are you serious?"
Rather she said,
"I know,
whenever you are around him."
it feels like love is in the air."
If she knew why Sma didn't.
Does he feel the same for me? I am not that confident to just hope in front of him and say, "I love you."
Though I love him with all my heart, but what if he never felt the same way and my confession ruin our friendship as well?
I confess to both that I did some stupid things to impress Sma, such as I double texting to Sma when I saw him just seen and no feedback to me. Then as double texting wasn't bad enough, I give him a nearly 100 phone call.
And I try to act cool when I see Sma.
I try to be the same as her when she is talking with Sma. For instance, pretending I didn't know what inclusive business was or how to play poker, just so that the guy could spend time with me explaining it. For shout at me when she hears that. She said that I'm just stupid during these exchanges because I was sacrificing my dignity.
And for what?
A guy. So, she advises me primarily that I'll have to figure out how I actually feel because it wouldn't be fair with the other person if I call affection or attraction love.
Love is something biased, real and beautiful. Doesn't mean to have right on the body or to just love out a body of a person, but to love soul of that person and be there for support. Not always, but when it's something that no one else can cover up for me and you. To make a man fall in love with you, follow a few points. 1.
Time to turn the table,
not just take. Try to give also. Be a proactive lover. Cherish every single chance to be around him. Give and take doesn't literally mean to exchange things, but to share little abstractness of life, like care, attention, weight. Love is at last in this list. Because a man can differentiate between one who cares from the one who wants something from him.
Take it on yourself.
You will be attracted to a person who is always there for you in hard times.
He will somewhere be a part of every moment of your day and life.
In short, make him feel needy. I know we are independent women, but why to do something when you have someone to do it for you?
2. Compliment him
only when he deserves. To be very clear, compliment doesn't mean to say all good things about him on his face, but to mean what you say. Everyone wants to hear good words about themselves, but they also require genuine compliments. It happens usually that we think something good or complimentary about the person, but we never tell them.
This is what I am trying to make you understand, that you should be free with compliments. If you think the shirt he is wearing suits him or he is looking good in this shirt, then tell him. Be free with your compliments.
Theme.
Admire his masculinity. With all the other things, men like it when we admire their masculinity. Admiring beauty doesn't really mean to touch their muscles and be like, "Oh my god."
It is not just about testosterone and muscles, but how the man treats other people, and if he treats people with honor, like Norman Mailer said. Masculinity is not something given to you, but something you gain, and you gain it by winning small battles with honor.
Real masculinity is being a good partner, respecting your partner. This is my belief, you might have yours, so whatever his masculinity means to you, let him know.
4. Have intellectual conversation with him. This is not the era where men like intellectually interior women, rather they appreciate company of a woman who shares her opinion. If he is saying something you don't agree to, then say it.
Don't hesitate to share an opposing opinion.
Get completely into the topic he chose to discuss. If you know nothing about that thing he has initiated, then have guts to say, "I don't know,"
because these are the words of wisdom which might bring him more toward you.
5. Be yourself. We usually do this thing, wear a mask of false identity and character because we desperately want the other person to like us, but you have no clue how long will you be able to put on this fancy face. Everyone on this planet is beautiful in their own way. The other person also suspects the sense of suspiciousness whenever you try to present a fake image of yours.
Like women often do this thing, they fake their interests and hobbies just for the sake to impress the man. So, if you don't like dogs and fantasize about cats, then this is how it is. If you are more of like a stay-at-home kind of person, then confess it. Be real, it is found rarely these days.
The right man will love for exactly who you are. 6.
Listening is the key to success.
90 out of 100 times people listen, just to revert back.
Listening doesn't mean that you are scrolling your Instagram and he is speaking on the other side.
Even Kanye West's picture has diverted your attention. So, listen for the sake of listening. When you hear someone properly, you are able to notice those 20 to 25% of actions he performed non-verbally. You notice change in his voice, his behavior.
Maybe he wants you to notice something or wants to ask him something.
When you do, it makes him feel really special, and we being girls know accurately how this thing feels. Repeat something he said in the past in order to give reference of something, it adds an additional point. He'll also find you interesting because everyone wants to be heard and you will provide him with this comfort. 7.
Talk about your similarities. Do you remember how your best friend and you became friends in first place? Let me remind you, the very first conversation you had was of your common interests that made you feel connected.
And that's true.
This sense of connection makes people feel attracted to one another.
If there are a few common things between you two, then emphasize upon them in your conversation. For instance, both of you like the same restaurant, then talk about food there, the ambience, a few incidents happened there. Make sure you don't lie about facts because doing so may portray you as desperate. 8.
Be a positive force in his life.
Have you heard of that theory?
Opposites attract.
The same happens in the case of human beings. Every human has the tendency to be negative all by themselves. So, they are drawn toward who see bright side of things.
Remember that time when you felt low and sad or maybe depressed? Whom did you call at that time?
Was he a person with negative thoughts or the one who cheered you up and made you the positive side of things? I hope you got my point. Be pleasant around him and talk about positive things in his life, in your life and in general. And keep this thing in mind, avoid gossiping until he starts to speak. It didn't mean you can never complain around him. If you do, try to keep it to the least so that he feels warm and fuzzy about the time he spent with you. 9. Don't always be available. Among you two, if you keep on chasing the man for a long time, then you will be entitled as desperate woman. Live your life completely that you have apart from him. Men usually have thing for women who are passionate, independent and committed to their work. Yes, girls want to cancel on plans to spend some time with their man, but they should not. Because this gives your man the idea to make last-minute plans without even concerning about your time. Start writing your love story and you yourself know where to stop and take a praise and hand over the pen to your partner. When he realizes that he loves you, he himself will start putting efforts to get you in his life.
Lastly, don't forget to make an eye contact. Making eye contact shows your confidence and make man attracted toward you. Apparently, he may fall in love with you because eyes are windows to one's heart. These steps work for many girls and might help me too. Also, a study says that men fall in love faster than women do.
Reason behind this theory is like women, men never question their emotions. So, if he feels like he has a strong feeling for someone, he won't deny.